What's the meaning of biophysics? Biophysics. Biophysics.
Biophysics. Biophysics. Biophysics is a multidisciplinary field that combines principles of physics and biology to study the physical properties of biological systems. It involves the application of physical and mathematical concepts to understand the behavior of molecules, cells, and organisms. Biophysics encompasses a broad range of topics, including protein structure and function, cellular signaling and communication, membrane biophysics, and biomechanics. It also plays a crucial role in the development of new diagnostic tools and treatments for diseases. Biophysicists use a variety of techniques, such as X-ray crystallography, electron microscopy, and computational simulations, to investigate the structure and dynamics of biological macromolecules. Overall, biophysics is a fascinating and rapidly evolving field with significant implications for our understanding of life at the molecular level.